Good morning, dear kids. Today I'll be showing you how to draw roots onto your number line. Okay, on the number line we know how to put up a positive integer, negative integer, but how to put up a root, that we will be seeing in this video. First is how to show root 2 on the number line. If you want to show root 2 on the number line, my dear kids, first of all you have to take one unit. For example, I am marking this so that you understand. I'll put with blue. You have to take one unit from here and you have to take one unit from here. Getting my point? So this is one unit. This is one unit. I'll name this as A, B, and this is C. Dear kids, if I join A to C, then do you know by Pythagoras theorem, if AB is 1, BC is 1, what will be AC? For that we have to do AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Got my point? So what will be AC square? AC square will be 1. 1 square is always 1 plus BC is also 1 and 1 square is always 1. So can I say AC square is 2? And what will be AC then? AC is root of 2. That means I got the value of AC as root of 2. Now my dear kids, you have to put up a compass here on A, and taking AC as the radius, you have to mark an arc which will cut somewhere here. Are you getting my point? AC को रेडियस समझ के आपको एक आर्क, अच्छा सा आर्क यहाँ से यहाँ तक, you have to take AC as radius. Try to understand. You have to take AC as radius and put an arc like this. Wherever it cuts the number line, that point you can put it as root 2. Got my point clear, kids? Now if I want to show root 3 on number line, then what I can do is I can utilize this same structure. How? I'll take this BC as root 2, which is already root 2, you know the measurement. From C, what I can do is I can put one unit line. I'll name it as D, and this is 1 unit. And I'll join AD. Now my dear kids, as again this is 90 degree, so ACD triangle ACD is a right angle triangle. Correct? In right angle triangle, if AC is given to you as root 2 and CD is given as 1 unit, we have taken it as 1 unit, then can I say that AD square will be equal to AC square plus CD square? AC square, that means root 2 square plus CD square, that is 1 square. Root 2 square is always 2 plus 1 square is 1. So you got the value of AD square as 3. And what will be AD itself? It will be root of 3. So in that case, you got the value of AD as root of 3. Am I correct? Now if you take AD as radius and try to put your compass point on A and make an arc like this which cuts your number line, wherever it will cut, that will be your value of root 3. My dear kids, this is not the actual measurement, so I am getting between 2 and 3, but in your books you will be getting it between 1 and 2 because the value of root 3 is 1.732 and value of root 2 is 1.414. In the same structure, my dear kids, now you got this as root 3, correct? You got this as root 3. this was root 2. Am I correct with this? Now अगर मैं root 3 के point से यहाँ से 90 degree बना रही हूँ, again of 1 unit. Always remember you are just putting out 1 unit line from there which is perpendicular to the given line. Here I am taking the base as AD, that is root 3, and I am putting 1 unit line. And if I name this as E and I join AE, can I say I am getting a triangle which is, I'll just erase this part. Can I say I am getting a right angle triangle ADE? And in that right angle triangle, if I apply Pythagoras theorem, so AE square will be equal to AD square plus ED square. Correct? This is your A. Yes. This is your D. So AE square is equal to AD, here you have root 3, the square of root 3, and ED is again 1. So root 3 square is 3 plus 1 square is 1. That means AE square, you are getting it as 4. What will be AE then? It will be root of 4, that is 2. So my dear kids, now you have to take AE as the radius, put your compass on the point A, take radius as AE and draw an arc, and you will notice that arc is going to cut exactly at 2. So this is how we make the points. So I have taught you root 2, root 3 and exactly 2. You can move forward again at this root 4. You can put 1 unit line from here, make a triangle, and you will notice you will get it here as root 5. Getting my point? Again at root 5, if you make a 90 degree 1 unit triangle, and then you will get here, that will be the value of root 6. Are you getting my point clear? And then you have to take them and make the arc so that it cuts at your number line, because we want to exactly project the number on the number line. So you have to take that line as a radius. Like if I want, this is root 6. So I'll take this as the radius and put the arc with your compass directly on the number line. Getting my point? It will fall on the number line. Wherever it touches, it intersects your number line. That will be your root 6. Are you getting my point clear?